Hello, I am here to tell you about a low budget way to have a set of quote unquote clickers in your room, right? A way to pull every student's knowledge or pre-knowledge about a certain topic. Before this was extremely expensive, but now there is a very inexpensive way to do this, and it's called Plickers with a P. All you need is some sort of electronic device for the teacher, an iPad, a smartphone, a tablet, something like that that you can download the app on. And that would be the first thing that you would need to do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Plickers app. And you can find that by going to the Plickers website. And that's www.plickers.com. So you download that app, and then you would make an account, and I've already done that, and it's pretty self-explanatory to walk you through that. And then the next thing you would need to do would be to download these cards. Okay, and up here you click on cards, and depending on what size class and whatnot that you would need, you've got different options here. So the most standard one would be a set of 40 cards, and you download them, and it's just a PDF. So you could click down here and save this to your desktop or to your file on your computer. And each one of these you're then going to cut out and laminate if you feel like you need to laminate them. And the caution is, if you're going to laminate it, is to laminate it with a low sheen lamination, because sometimes the glare could affect the app's ability to pick up each one of these cards. So this is the card that each one of your students will have at their desk, and each student is numbered, and you'll see that when we create a class. But each student has a number, and so it will automatically know what student is holding up what card, and depending on what direction they hold that card up will be what answer they think the question is. Okay, and I'll show you an example of that as well. So you download these cards, cut them out, laminate them, and you're good to go. So if we go back to the website, and we want to set up some classes. So we go here, and we have a demo class, but I want to set up a new class, and I'm going to label this Science 1 for first hour, 8th grade, and the subject is science. And then you can choose your color, click Save, and instead of having to copy or to type in every student's name, you have this fantastic ability to copy and paste. So first of all, if we go to our Power Teacher, and under the Reports tab, I'm going to click on Student Roster, and then Export as a CSV, and I only need the student's name, and that's it. And then I click Run Report. I'm going to open that report, and it gives me my students' names. So now I can highlight all of them, copy, and go back to my website, and then paste all of them in, click Save, and my classroom has now been made. Each student is tied to a specific number, okay? And so I would hand Summer, I would hand her the card with the 1 on it, and Amanda, I would hand the card with 5. Now, every day you could have the kids pick up the cards. You could keep the cards at the table. It's completely up to you. But once you have this set up, then you can go into your app, pull up your app, and this is what you will see.